Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Yaheetech chair, office chair. Actually, it's made of mesh that this brand sent to me for this video review. And I gotta say, I really like it. It has a really nice feature. For example, the thing that I like the most on this chair, you're gonna see it right here. It has the lumbar support that you can actually modify. You can see that you can make it push yourself a little bit more. And that's kind of like what I like on chairs, having a really nice lumbar support. And I think it's one of the most, you can see that keep going and going. It's kind of like one of the most important things to me, because if you're gonna be sitting for longer periods of times, you need to actually be sitting in a really nice 90 degrees posture position like this. And yeah, it gives like a really nice lumbar support in this section that again, push you a little bit, and I think it's really nice. So then some of the things that I like, this armrests right here are kind of like a little bit padded, but the perfect thing on this one is you can actually modify the height, and that to me is a really important thing to have. And that's kind of like good if you're working, but also probably sometimes gaming or something like that, that you need your elbows in a different position. So that's something I really like. This is made of mesh, as I was saying before. It's kind of like an elastic mesh, so it's gonna give you kind of like a breathable material, which I think it's really good. And the foam cushion right here, it's not one of those that is super thick and mega cushion. It's actually a firm one. It's made of foam, and it's a firm seating right here. You can actually see it, that it's not actually letting me push it too much. I think that's intended, and it could be a really good thing for people that actually likes to have a firm seating experience. Some of the things that I like, for sure, like every other chair, you can modify the height, just like this. But the other good thing about this is you can actually tilt and modify the height of the actual headrest, which I think it's a really nice thing to have as well. In case that you're kind of like wanted to relax and chill a little bit more, you can actually put your head in it and think about how many hours you have left from work or something like that. But yeah, other than that, I like this chair. I think it's a good one. It was super easy to assemble. It took me kind of like 25-30 minutes job with power tools. It supports up to 300 pounds. So other than that, I think I like it. It's a good chair. I do recommend it. Thumbs up for sure. Thanks for watching, and thanks Yaheetech for sending this one to me. And I'll see you soon.